want to visibly reduce dark circles and puffiness, this is for you. The CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is gonna lighten this area. It's gonna reduce puffiness. It's going to smooth this area, especially around here. You take a little bit. Dermatologists actually help develop this product. I usually do it before I go to sleep. You can do it at any time. As with anything, consistency is key. So make sure you do it every night and you are going to see results. You are going to notice the change. You are going to see less puffiness. You are going to see less dark circles under your eyes. If you are serious about reducing puffiness and dark circles, I've linked the product below.